Today is October the 17th after the market close, and we are going to examine the chart of S&P 500. You can see here, let me bring this a little bit closer and you can see it a better chance. Let me just move it here a little bit. You can see we are in this sideways pattern, and today is the third day up. We finished the day at 1460. The stock market opened up and zigzagged its way up to 5 points. It did not go up much higher. But one of the reasons for that is there was some good news here. The housing starts was 15%, much more than expected, and also there was good news on the builder permits, which are 12% up from last September. So with that done, it encouraged the market, seeing that finally the housing market is recovering and is taking on new life. So that is what happened here, and the market started going up here, and we finished the day again. We are in this consolidation pattern, sideways for the moment, and we don't know if we're going to break this 1470 or not in the next few days, or we're going to hang it around here. But the tech indexes are not doing very well, and Nasdaq was not good. NDX, let's take a look at it, and NDX is struggling at the 50-day moving average here. This is Nasdaq 100, not the general compact, which is not the same one, but this one has all the major tech stocks, and the techs were struggling today, as shown by Apple, which is AAPL. You can take a look at the bellwether. Tech has earnings on 25th, and this is what the up close chart that you want to see here on it. And this is what I've done is this is the trend lines. Both trend lines is traveling right here, and it contained most of its gain here, even though people were trying to short this back under that 644 level, but it didn't go. And hopefully if we can bounce back from here to higher levels. We have to see. 25th is the earnings. On October 23rd, mini iPad product is going to be unveiled by Apple. So this is creating a little bit buzz here, and see how the market takes it. So, and Apple is just trucking around. Let me just pull this back here, and you can see on a different plane here, which is, let's say, 30 minutes, and you can see this is the trend line that I've drawn here, and this is the consolidation. It's not over. This thing has not bounced off and gone into the open air and gone above, because meeting a lot of resistance here. PCLN, on the other hand, is a stock that is now trucking around here with this consolidation pattern for the last 2 days, and it barely managed to finish the day at 600. It went down here to 595. They tried to short it as if it's a short still, and it just finished the day here. But let's take a look at the big picture on PCLN, and this is what the triangle looks like to me. A triangle is being formed, which is a bullish pattern, and the price is coiling up in it, and hopefully it'll hit here somewhere, go up here, and then come down, and maybe it explode to one side. But PCLN also has earnings on the next month. Google, on the other hand, let's take a look at it here very quickly. And Google tried to go up here. It hasn't fallen back, and it made a good comeback here today at least 10 points up today. The builder stocks were up. LEN, this is the first one that comes to mind, Lennar, and you can see here it reached up 38,2094. Toll Brothers, which is TOL, is also a bullish stock. You want to take a look at it here first, and it is also above its 50-day moving average and trying to go up higher. The NSM, this is the position we have here, is also bouncing off this 21-day line, and the 50-day is rising and 21-day rising, and it is also very oversold. You can see the stochastic as a hook. That's why we are in that position here on this one. And if this stock, the initials, it moves up here, then we will adjust our stops here on it. So that is all for today. These are the basic bullish stocks which are there, and the housing sector was very strong here today.